Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. RDC stands for Reifendruck Control. This is the German phrase for the BMW tire pressure monitoring system. If the RDC display settings button is shown, the section contains options to configure what user-determined tire pressure values the motorcycle considers to be acceptable. Note that not all tire pressure value configuration tools may be found in the RDC display settings menu. An additional set of configuration tools may be found in the Service Functions Tire Pressure Monitor section. Click Coding Functions. Click RDC Display Settings. To enable a menu option, to activate or deactivate tire pressure-related warnings on the instrument cluster, click the relevant radio button. If you want to alter the standard tire pressure set points, enter new set point values in the front and rear entry fields. If the option for on-bike tire pressure warnings is enabled, tire pressures substantially below or above the set point values will trigger warnings on the motorcycle's instrument cluster. To program your settings into the instrumentation display, click Continue.